Samsung gave TechRadar an unprecedented look inside its Gumi Digital City factory, where it tests and tests and tests its latest foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and the Z Fold 8, and flagship Galaxy phones. Getting there, though, wasn't easy. After a 15-hour flight, we arrived in South Korea, and then our second day took a bullet train and then a long car ride to reach Gumi. The Gumi campus is vast and hot. We grabbed some of the many freely available umbrellas and walked to our first destination. What we saw inside astounded us. Rows upon rows of robotic enclosures, checking, testing, and trying everything from the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 to the new Z Fold 8 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Robots roam around quietly, shuttling phones from one spot to another. We even saw machines testing Galaxy 9 wearables and Galaxy Buds. Gumi's automation labs live up to their name as it's filled mostly with robotic enclosures and not people. These bots are not just running the tests, they're delivering devices from one enclosed area to another. Humans are mostly watching for errors and generally not running any of these tests.
1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
Okay, wait for the next one. Ready?
Thank you so much.
The newest member of the Galaxy Z family, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, is already undergoing the same rigorous testing as Samsung's other foldables. We watched as robots examine the construction screens, touch response, and ability to sense motion, which it appears to do by swinging the phone around on the end of a big yellow robot arm. They even check how well these screens handle video. The new Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, that taller and thinner foldable, undergoes the same series of tests. We saw a live drop test and, naturally, a folding test. In some cases, the phones are folded and unfolded thousands of times to ensure they'll work for the life of ownership. I'm inside Samsung Display and I'm just sitting here. This is where they make all this display technology for all the Samsung Galaxy phones. I'm folding and unfolding my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 a few times. Imagine doing it thousands of times. Inside this testing unit, they are folding these flexible displays. They are also doing it under all sorts of conditions, like minus 20 degrees Celsius, that's super cold, up to 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Just imagine how hot that is. So I can't show you the inside of this. It's super secret, but I've seen how it works. I've seen the displays folding. I've seen the screens where I can watch what happens, but I don't have to watch it, and the lab techs don't actually have to watch it because the computers will watch and know when it fails, so that you can do this 1,000 times or more and not worry that your Z Fold 7 is going to fail. Nearby, we found robots putting the Galaxy Z Flip 8 through its paces, including the expected folding tests. In another area, we found banks of Samsung phones, all running various setup routines. Again, all this testing was happening with virtually no human involvement. The facility isn't just for testing foldables. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra also undergoes a battery of tests, including one that checks the proximity sensor, and another enclosure that uses company-sourced fingerprints to test the under-the-screen fingerprint readers. We also watched a robot check the Galaxy Watch 9 for touch and gesture response. This, by the way, was just part of our big Samsung South Korean tour. The company took us to their super secret Samsung Display. I'm here inside Samsung Display, kind of a one-of-a-kind, first-ever look for media. And what you just saw, there was a really cool optical illusion based on how Samsung can build a tolerances so tight. They've got the bezel down to like nothing. Basically, you're seeing two screens. Looks like one because there is no bezel, but there's a whole bunch of innovations here at Samsung Display. We've got the Flex S, which can fold, twice like that, which is very cool. These are in a 6-inch size, never been seen before. This is folding the other way, so now you're almost stretching the display without it kind of failing. This is very cool because it's a slidable, means that the display is rolling away, but wait a minute, a hybrid, folding and rolling in a 6-inch display all at once. Never been seen before. This is, by the way, is not a record player. Samsung Display can make OLEDs in all different kinds of shapes. This shape, or shapes like this, are actually in a BMW right now. And of course, you can take devices like a smart speaker and make them even more interesting and intelligent. by putting a flexible display on top of them. So we are seeing all kinds of amazing things at Samsung Display that we've never seen before. Stick with TechRadar.com for all the news and views on the latest Galaxy folding devices.